If you see this question in your mathematics exam, do you know how to solve it? Let's solve it together. Number one, okay, give me copies of books produced, copies of books purchased. How many? 180 copies, right? Okay, 250 naira each, right? One copy equals to 250 naira, right? Then 180 copies will cost how much? And that will give us how much? 45,000, right? So this is the total cost of the books he purchased, right? So we can say cost price is equal to 45,000. Is that right? Okay, let's continue. Number of copies sold. Number of copies sold is equal to Y, right? Selling price of one copy equal to 300 naira. Okay, selling price of one copy equals to 300 naira, right? Then selling price of Y copies equal to Y times 300, making 300 Y. All right, this is selling price of one copy because he sold Y copies at 300 naira each, right? So give me the rest figure. Rest number of books. Rest number of books or remaining number of books. Remaining number of books will be 180 what? 180 minus Y. That's remaining number of books. Now this is the remaining one. Profit. Yes, don't worry. Profit is equal to 7,125 naira, right? Now selling price is equal to what? Selling price. If we made a profit of this, and this is the cost price, selling price is what? Selling price is equal to 45,000 plus 7,125, and that will give us what? 52,000. 52,125. That's the selling price, right? He has already sold Y copies. So this is the remaining copies, right? And these remaining copies, he sold them at what? A discount of 5 kobo in the naira of the cost price. Now, how many kobo in 1 naira? We have 100 kobo in 1 naira, right? We have 100 kobo in 1 naira, right? And if somebody sold something 5 kobo in the naira, meaning out of 100 is sold at a discount of 5 kobo, right? Out of 100, 5 out of 100, right? So a discount of 5% is giving a discount of 5%, right? On every 1 naira. Okay? Now, hello? The cost price of 1 is what? 250, right? The cost price of 1 is what? 250. Are we together? And it's giving what? 5% away. So we are going to have the remaining cost number of books is this, right? Selling price now, SP of remaining, hello? SP of remaining number of what? Of books. SP of what? Remaining number of books. SP of remaining number of books. We want to find selling price of remaining number of books. Are we together? We know that the remaining number of books is 180 minus Y. Is it okay? And he's selling it at a reduction price, right? So it's going to be 95%, okay? Because reduction of 5 kobo in the naira. Out of 100 is reducing 5 kobo. Is percent. If somebody is giving, I say how many kobo in 1 naira? You say 100, right? If I'm giving 5 kobo reduction out of 100, how many percent is that? 5%. 5 out of 100 means what? 5%. 2 out of 100 means what? 2%. 20 out of 100 means what? 20%. 30 out of 100 means what? 30%. So 5 kobo out of 100 kobo is 5%. Is giving a discount of 5% on the remaining number of books. Remember, 1 copy costs this one. It will not sell at this amount again. It will not sell at above this price again. In fact, it will be selling below the price. Why? Because it's giving a discount in the cost price. A discount in the naira of the cost price. Hello? Is giving a discount of 5% in the naira. Anytime you hear in the naira, on every 1 naira. So if 5 kobo is away out of 100, how many percent is that? 5%. That's 5 over 100. 5%, right? So the remaining now, it will remain 95% because 5% is already gone as a reduction, a discount. Discount on the remainder of books. Discount on the remainder is 5%, right? So selling price of the remainder now, right? Selling price of the remainder of the books will be 95%, Abi, of the remainder is 180 over Y, Abi. 90% of the cost price. Is it not so? 95% of the cost price. Is it not so? Times the remainder. Times what? The remainder, which is 180 minus Y. Selling price of the remainder will be 95% of this cost. Why? Because it's giving 5% away. After he has sold Y copy. The first one is sold. He sold 300 naira per copy, right? At number of copy, we don't know. They say Y copies. So we remove the Y from 180. He gave us this one. But after selling Y copy, when he want to sell the rest, he now begin to reduce price. He's not making profit again. The first time, 300 per copy. Now it's even reducing price on the cost price. It's reducing 5%. 5 kobo in the naira means out of 100 kobo inside 1 naira is removing 5 away. That's 5 over 100 is 5%. So the selling price of the remaining now will be 95% of the cost price times the number of books remaining. The number of books remaining is this one, Abi. True or false? So now let's find the selling price of the remaining. Selling price of the remaining will be 95 over 100, right? Times 250, 180 minus y. Selling price of y copies, we have this one, right? This one is selling price of the remainder. Is it not so? So that means this one plus this one should give us this one. Selling price of total. Hello? Selling price of y copies is this one, right? Selling price of the remainder is this one, right? So this number plus the one we are going to get here should give us this value. Is not so? Good. Let's find this value first. Can you help me reduce this number? It will become 90. Just help me divide this thing first. 2 what? 237.5. Then this one, right? It's not so? Yeah. Open the bracket. Times 180, right? Give me. 42,750 minus this one, right? Yeah. 237.5 y. Is it not so? Yeah. This is the selling price of the remaining. Hello? So selling price of y copies, right? Plus selling price of remainder, is not so, will equal total selling price, which is a 52,125. How do we arrive at total selling price? Total cost price is this, right? And we are told we made a profit of this. Is not so? Profit plus cost price will give us selling price. Is that okay? Selling price of y copy, it will be 300 times y, because he sold 1 copy for 300 naira. This is selling price of y copy. The remainder is going to be 180 minus y, right? Selling price of the remainder will be 95% of the cost price of the unit cost price, right? The cost price on 1. Are you with me? We only work based on what is remaining. Remaining 180 minus y. Is that okay? This is what is remaining. We can only work with what is remaining because we have already got the amount for y copies. We have got the amount for y copies. So the remaining out of the y copy is 180 minus y. The remaining now is not selling at above cost price. It's even selling below cost price. 95% of the cost price. That will give us this value. So this value now plus the first value will give us this one. Okay? Let's write this value first. 40 selling price of y copies. This is it, right? 300y plus 42,750 minus 237.5 equals to 52,125. 62.5y, right, equals to 52,125. right? Minus 42,750. Okay? 62.5y equals what? 9,375. Divide both sides by 62.5. 150, right? So our y is equal to 150. Can you see the question?